Okay, guys, so this is Natty Effects, as you already know, and I want to talk about something very important today. Um, there's a popular saying in forex: you buy the low and sell the high, which is the right thing to do. But if everyone is buying the low and selling the high, why are you still losing money? And an uptrend, we have something like higher higher low, higher high, and higher low. Then in a downtrend, the reverse is the case, right? Let's assume you are following the trend. Like let's say in an uptrend, you are buying the higher lows. You buy the higher lows in an uptrend. Let's assume you are doing that. Why are you still losing money? Do you ever pause to think? Do you ever pause to think or evaluate your trade and see why you're losing money? Secondly, if everyone is buying the low, everyone is selling the highs, who are we buying from and who are we selling to? Because for you to make money, there have to be a transaction, and a transaction is simply what? Buying and selling, right? Now let's say on the GBP USD, almost all the traders are seeing an uptrend, right? Let's say 99.9% of people they are buying in an uptrend, right? Then who are you buying from exactly? Let me give you a practical example, right? This is a laptop, right? Let's say I want to sell this laptop, or I own a shop in the market, right? Then I take this laptop to the market. Then I discover that no one in the market is willing to buy. Everyone else is with a laptop to sell, right? Let's see, there are like 10,000 people in the market with laptop. They want to sell, no one want to buy. Everybody in the market are sellers, they are not buyers. Do you think I'm going to sell this laptop? The obvious answer is no, right? Even if I'm going to sell it, I'm going to sell it at a very, very bad price. And the person that is going to buy it from me is not going to buy it based on the value. He's going to buy it and keep it, so that when there is scarcity, he will sell it out, right? So if they are not buyers in the market and I take this laptop to the market, I will return with it because I'm not going to sell it to anyone. I know one is going to buy from me. And let's say I don't have a laptop, then I go to the market. Let's assume this laptop is no longer here. Let's assume I go to the market. Then I discover that no one in the market is having a laptop for sale. Everyone in the market want to buy a laptop. You understand? I mean, no one in the market want to sell a laptop. Everybody in the market want to buy a laptop. There's not going to be a transaction because you don't have a laptop. I don't have a laptop. No one in the market is having a laptop to sell. All of us in the market, we only go to the market for the purpose of buying a laptop. Without sellers, there's not going to be a transaction. So you see that phrase, buy the lows and sell the high. That is the right thing to do. But why are people still losing money? No strategy in the forex market is bad. No single strategy is bad. It is the way you apply it that matters. You understand? Then secondly, ask yourself, if everyone is buying the lows, everyone is selling the highs, who are you selling to? Who are you buying from? When you buy the lows and sell the highs, sometimes you get stop out, right? When you put your stop loss, the market will take you out and go in your direction. So these are the kind of things that you look out for in the market, right? There was a time I was like, what am I doing wrong? I'm selling, I'm doing the right thing, I'm selling the highs, I'm buying the lows, I'm putting my stop loss on the right side. But I was still losing money until I did an intense research, intense studies into the market before I start making profit from the market. Yeah. So I want you to go and rethink, review, rewire, unwire, like do everything possible that you need to do. Now, some of you have been trading the forex markets for about 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, even 10 years. Now, you are not making profit. Why? Once you have a belief about certain thing, it is very hard for you to believe otherwise. You cannot have two equal belief at the same time. That is just the truth. Now you keep believing for over 5 years that this is your strategy that you're using. The way you are trading it, you believe that it's going to make you millions, it's going to make you money, right? You did it for complete 5 years with a consecutive losses. You understand? You're not making profit. Why don't you think you should look into your strategy and see? I'm not saying your strategy is bad. No, in fact, there's no strategy is wrong. Every strategy in forex market is good, but it is how you apply it that matters. There's a difference between patience and waste of time. For those of you who have been trading for some times and you're not getting results, most of you are actually wasting your time. I'm sorry to say that is not patience, right? Instead of you to look for someone that understands the market to put you through, you prefer to lose more money to donate money to the market. Yeah, you're actually a market donator. Yeah, you donate money to the market. There are some people that make profit from the market, but some people donate money to the market. Some of you are actually a market donor. You donate money to the market. Why some of us make money from the market? You must not come to me for mentorship. That is not the purpose of this video. You understand? But sometimes, let's say they ask you to invest, let's say something like $200 into a business, or let's say $500 into a business. You say no, $500 is too much for me to invest in this business. Then, before you know, you have spent up to $1,500 in a thing that you cannot even explain. You understand? In a less useful thing. Let's say, in fact, things that will not bring profit to you. You end up spending $1,500 on it. Then later you'll be like, oh, had I known, I would have taken out $500 and invest in this business. You see? Then others will say, 6 months is too much for me to learn a skill. 3 months is too much for me to learn a skill. 1 year is too much for me to learn a skill. Before you know, that's 3 months have passed, 6 months have passed, 1 year have passed. Then when you look back, you say, oh, if I knew, I would have learned this skill at this time. So I want you to think twice and take your trading life serious. For you to make profit in the forex market, it is hard. That is just the truth. But it is simple. It is very complex. You understand? Now there's a quote: forex is the hardest way to make easy money. For a start, it is hard. But once you start making money, there's no going back. Yeah. So I've been trading for some time. I have not seen result. What I want to advise you to do is review your trade, your strategy. If you know you don't have a good strategy, you look for someone, look for a mentor, someone that you trust, someone that you know that he can trade very well, right? Before you make payment for anyone to teach you, make sure you see their trading journal, like you see their performance for the few months. You understand? Stop the empty hopes. That is not the truth. It's not going to help you. It's going to be better. It's not by mouth. You understand? You need to take action. You need to be disciplined, right? You need to be disciplined. Then from time to time, review your trade. Why are you losing those trades? You have been using the strategy for over a time. You're not making profit. That means the strategy might be the problem, or you might be the problem. At NatiFX, we have the most flexible and the most affordable mentorship program. Yeah. If you feel like you want to continue, or you want to further, or you want to start your trading journey, you can simply contact us. Let us work together. Let us get you that trading skill that you need to make more profit. It's cheaper to get a knowledge than to donate money to the forex market. You understand? What I'm going to charge you is very, very affordable. You understand? It is more better, it is more cheaper than for you losing money to the forex market. And our strategy, you can apply it to even crypto, the stock market, and the forex market. You understand? So that is just it. Yeah. Everyone in my mentorship program are trading $5,000 accounts. Yeah. In my mentorship program, we provide you with a free $5,000 account once you are done with your mentorship, right? After learning forex, the most difficult part is getting your money for investment. That is the capital. So this is what we do. We provide you with a $5,000 account. Then whatever profit you make, we take 10% of it. You understand? You take 90%, we take 10%. And we provide you a support system on how to trade that account for up to 6 to 1 year. Let's say you make $500 in that account. We take just $50 and hand $450 to you. For this particular funding program, you are not going to pay for it, you are not going to make deposit. What you need is just your valid ID card. We are going to take the risk. Yours is to take the trade. It's only valid for those who are in my community. So if you want to have access to this, join my community and you can kickstart your trading journey.